If you are giving advanced taxation or advanced audit and assurance exams of ACCA in March 2024 attempt, then this video is important for you. Hello everyone, I'm Owais Mirchawala, Faculty of Advanced Taxation and Advanced Audit and Assurance exams of ACCA. I've been teaching these exams for more than 10 years and more than 30 of my students have secured nationwide positions in these examinations. In my opinion, the major reason of students' failure in this examination is not conceptual weakness. Rather, it is lack of complete past paper practice and lack of mock exams. Considering this issue, I have launched my revision past paper session course in which I am discussing 6 complete attempt past papers with the students during the pre-recorded classes. Along with this, I also provide 3 mock exams to the students on which I give them personalized feedback which help them to improve their chances to pass this exam. In relation to this, I have also uploaded one complete past paper discussion session on my YouTube channel for which I am providing a link along with this video. So if you want to pass your exam in the first attempt and want to avail the mock exam facility, do contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you everyone.